Here are 3 reasons why you should buy Blossom Gardens Estate. Firstly, it is the first solar-powered estate in Enugu State, Nigeria. So Enugu State has not had any solar-powered estate in Enugu. So this is the first solar-powered estate coming into Enugu State, Nigeria. Secondly, it comes with a very good documentation, of which it has a global CFO and a housing allocation. These are one of the best documentation you can ever have in a property. Thirdly, this is a government project. So the hands of Governor Peter Ndubisi is in this particular project. So a project which the government owns itself means that there are a lot of prospects coming into that project. So Blossom Gardens Estate is powered and is developed by the Enugu State Housing Development Corporation, which is being in conjunction with Governor Peter Ndubisi. For more information, contact us at Josh Consults or follow us on any of our social media platforms at Josh Consults. Thank you.